my name is Valentina and I'm a part of the advisories team. Today, I wanted to share some tips and tricks with you on how you can use Sales Navigator to target women specifically. We have a few ways, but I'm going to introduce something that is completely new and introduced by LinkedIn recently. The reason why I'm calling this a hack is because on LinkedIn and Sales Navigator, there is no criteria for gender. LinkedIn never asks you what your gender is when you're creating an account. So you could not just go on Sales Navigator and type male or female. There is no such thing. They offer a variety of different filters when it comes to company, role, personal, or educational, but gender is none of them. So if your target group is, let's say, women near to their retirement or women entrepreneurs, you could not simply type female as a gender. You could not create that target group. But there are two ways how to do that. One of them is using groups, and LinkedIn is notorious for their groups. They have groups for everything. Similar to any other social media that gather people around the same hobby or interest. You know how on Facebook there's going to be groups for anything, all different kinds of communities. On Instagram you have fun pages and stuff like that. Well, on LinkedIn there's going to be groups that gather people around something professional or not so professional subjects. For example, we can go with women entrepreneurs. And let's say we want to take this group and it's giving us a list that is 300 and more results of only women entrepreneurs. And this could be your target group. You could add more filters to it, maybe geographical ones or a connection of a mutual profile on LinkedIn that you both have, or maybe a school that you both went to. You could add bunch of more groups to this, maybe women in photography, women in business, and the list can go on and on, giving you more and more results. But as of recently, I'm talking about this new year, let's say, LinkedIn has introduced something new, and it's actually pronouns. Now, when you go on someone's LinkedIn profile, not all accounts, but for now it's just starting, there's going to be pronouns next to a person's profile. Let's say she, her. And it's giving me 1 million results. Somewhere within this million, you can definitely find your target group. Now, just use the rest of these filters. Let's say geography, function, and years of experience. And this already is giving me a list of 72K plus results. And this is a pretty simple search, but it's giving me people, actually women in North America, that work in education for more than 10 years. So naturally, they're going to be closer to making some serious decisions like retirements, and maybe you can talk to them about their retirement plan or any other financial planning conversation you can have with them. Yeah, and this is relatively new, and I have no doubt that LinkedIn is going to work more towards introducing genders on their platform. So in the future, I hope this is going to be much easier and it's going to be much more defined. Thank you for watching this, and keep following us for more LinkedIn and Sales Navigator tips. Thank you.